What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN RNEWBBQ. Today we're gonna do up a southern classic. This one is fried whole catfish. We're also gonna use up some of Bayou Marine's Cajun fry. Don't know if some of y'all remember, but back in May of 2022, I went to a little festival outside of Alexandria, Louisiana, called the Louisiana Smoked Meat Festival. And well, Bayou Marine was one of the vendors there, and they were selling their products, and I decided to pick one of them up. They're made out in Ville Platte, Louisiana. You can find them online. Bought this with my own money, so I'm not sponsored. I decided to, on this recipe, go ahead and give this a shot. See how it sticks to the fish. Also, see how it's going to taste. How spicy it is. How Cajun. True and authentic. So, we're going to go ahead and use it up on this. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. Alright, our oil is up to 350 degrees. Going to go over the ingredient list real quick with you. If you've got a flour allergy, this is not for you. It's got all-purpose flour in it. If you've got a corn allergy, this is not for you. It's got cornmeal and corn flour in it. If you got certain spice allergies, this might not be for you. It's got red pepper in there, black pepper, lemon in there. It's got some paprika, chili powder, granulated garlic, granulated onions, garlic pepper, onion powder. Let's see if I missed anything. Nope, got it all. So, let's go ahead and begin. We've got some eggs that I beat up for our egg wash. We've got our breading mixture. We're going to go with our fish now. Nice fish. Going to go ahead and leave on our tail. Put in our egg mixture. We will double coat this. Go ahead and get some of that coating inside of the fish. Would be whole fish without the tail. My table isn't large enough to accommodate all of this. Hopefully one day I will be able to expand again. I miss my old shack. Alright, let's go ahead and begin putting this into the oil slowly. There we go. Get some new gloves now, because I do have one more fish. Throw that in my trash can. That is off camera. Go ahead and move this fish a little bit more so we can get that all the way in. I will have to flip this fish over in a little bit. Hey. Fish kind of fries up very quickly, so we're going to go and flip this over now. Oh yeah, we're looking real good. Alright, we're done. Now that football season is over, NASCAR season around here is picking up more on a Sunday. Fun times for me filming. But anyway, these fish are done. No time at all, people. That's the way I like it. So, let's dig into these fish. Don't they look beautiful, folks? Look at that crust. Oh, it looks so good. Let's go ahead and dig in real quick. Flakes off real good. Oh yeah. Oh, beautiful. That spice, that crunch. Perfect. That fish is so flaky, so good. If you like what I'm doing, folks, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.